In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail old emails. We're going to walk through a simple way to quickly find and remove emails that are just taking up space in your inbox, especially those that are a year old or even older. By the end, you'll know exactly how to search for old messages, delete them in bulk, and then clear them out permanently. First, open Gmail on your computer using a web browser. This works best on a desktop or laptop rather than the mobile app because you'll see all the options we're going to use along the top of your inbox. Once Gmail is open, look for the search bar at the very top of the page. This is where we'll tell Gmail exactly which old emails we want to find. Instead of scrolling for ages, we can use special search commands. For example, if you want to find emails that are more than a year old, type older than 1Y. If you want emails older than 2 years, type older than 24 months. You can also search before a specific date. For that, type before YYYMMDD. So if you wanted everything before January 1st, 2020, you'd type before 2020 01 1. You can also combine this with categories to be more precise. For instance, if you only want to delete old social notifications, you could type category social older than 1Y. This is really useful if you want to clean up certain types of emails without touching more important messages. After you've typed your search, press enter on your keyboard or click the little search icon on the right side of the search bar. Gmail will now show only the emails that match what you typed. Next, look at the top left corner of the email list and click the small square checkbox. This selects all the conversations currently visible on the page. Right after you click it, you'll see a message appear at the top of the list that says something like, select all conversations that match this search. Click that link so you're selecting every email that matches your search, not just the first page. With everything selected, click the trash icon in the toolbar above your emails. This moves all those messages into the trash folder. To permanently delete them and free up space, go to the left sidebar, click More, then click Trash. At the top of the trash page, click Empty Trash Now, confirm the action, and all those old emails will be removed permanently from your account.